Hey guys, it's Nicole from Low Income Relief, and I just want to talk to you for a minute about how to get furniture on a budget. I know this has been a major concern for a lot of people because furniture can be really expensive. And when you're struggling to get by, it can be really hard to get. So, we've done some research and we found some resources that can be able to help you. Of course, you can see we're on our website at lowincomerelief.com, and you are free to navigate to this article if you would prefer to read it, but I'm just going to go over it with you here because I've heard from a lot of you that you prefer me to provide this information in a video format. So here we go. All right, so buy nothing groups are one of my favorites. You can find these groups on Facebook. They are tremendous resources where people give away things they don't need anymore. You can pick up the things that you do need, and everyone just swaps so that hopefully you can reach a point where you aren't buying things. Free Cycle is a similar premise. I used to use Free Cycle before Buy Nothing became really popular. It still is pretty popular in some areas, so definitely check out both of those. Of course, you probably know that social media marketplaces are a great resource for furniture on a budget as well. Facebook Marketplace, there's a lot of people giving stuff away on there. That's definitely something that may be able to help you out. Now, don't shoot the messenger on this one, but dumpster diving can also be a great way to get furniture on a budget. I know that sounds unconventional. I know a lot of people have strong feelings about that sometimes, but it's astonishing to me just how much waste there is in America. It's really incredible, especially if we're talking about, for example, office furniture like desk chairs, that sort of thing. It can be really surprising what you can find if you're brave enough to try dumpster diving, especially if you go check out a college campus after graduation or at the end of a semester. You can usually find quite a bit there. Of course, curb alerts, neighborhood cleanups, Craigslist, those are all other options for finding free and low cost furniture in your community. When you are getting things secondhand, it's always a good idea to check it out before you grab it. Make sure that it's safe, doesn't have any, mold, mildew, pests, anything like that that's going to affect you. Now, if that isn't your style and you're looking for something a little bit maybe nicer or more upscale, there are still options that may be able to assist you. If you're looking for maybe something from a thrift store, but you can't afford that, there's a lot of places that offer free furniture vouchers. Now, these vouchers usually aren't going to be something that you can take into like Ashley Home Store and just buy whatever you want. These vouchers are usually for a specific dollar value at a specific thrift store. So I know in the past, St. Vincent de Paul has been really good about giving out furniture vouchers to their thrift stores. So in that case, you would get a voucher from them. Then you could go shopping in their thrift store, spend up to the value of the voucher for the things that you need. That's a great way to get help. Sometimes local churches and charities have furniture donation programs or can help connect you with resources. You can also call 211 to connect with different resources in your area. There's a lot of furniture banks out there which operate similar to food banks, except instead of going in for canned goods, you're going in for furniture items or small household appliances. Those are always tremendous resources, and you can find those in your area by calling 211. Now, if you do have a little bit of money to spend, my favorite way to get affordable furniture, especially if you want it to be newer, is to go shop the clearance sections at the thrift stores, or sorry, not the thrift stores, but the furniture stores in your area. The longer something sits, the more discounted it's going to get. And I've seen some really impressive deals in those areas. In my area, we also have some scratch and dent retailers. So if you need, especially appliances like washers and dryers, a scratch and dent store can be a great place to get a good bargain. Seasonal sales, we've already gone over thrift stores. Now, of course, there's all sorts of ideas on Pinterest about how you can make your own furniture as well. But hopefully that gives you a good start if you're looking for furniture on a budget. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more ways that you can save money and get free stuff. I'll see you there.